Hello everyone, my name is Sir Eric. Today we will be discussing an essential topic in the field of healthcare management, organizational behavior in healthcare. This topic provides us with the foundational knowledge needed to understand how individuals, groups, and structures impact behavior within healthcare organizations. By the end of this lecture, you will gain insight into the history, key theories, and interdisciplinary nature of organizational behavior, specifically within the healthcare industry. Section 1. Why study organizational behavior in healthcare? Organizational behavior, or OB, is crucial in healthcare for several reasons. Improved patient care. Understanding human behavior helps healthcare professionals provide better patient experiences. Effective teamwork. Healthcare is a collaborative field where doctors, nurses, and administrative staff must work cohesively. Leadership and management. Effective leadership is essential to ensure effective operations and quality healthcare services. Adapting to change. Healthcare is a dynamic field with evolving technologies, policies, and patient needs. In summary, a solid understanding of OB helps professionals navigate these challenges successfully. Section 2. The healthcare industry. Healthcare organizations are unique compared to other industries due to the complexity of patient interactions and regulatory requirements. Some defining characteristics include a highly regulated environment with compliance to law and ethical standards, a diverse workforce with varying skill sets and responsibilities, a strong focus on patient outcomes and quality care delivery. Understanding OB concept allows us to address workforce challenges and foster an environment of collaboration and efficiency. Section 3. History of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior has evolved significantly over the years, influenced by various studies and theories. Let's look at key historical development. Scientific management. Frederick Taylor, early 1900s, focused on improving efficiency through task specialization and standardization, emphasized productivity but overlooked human factors. The Hawthorne studies, 1920s to 30s, conducted at the Western Electric Company, discovered that employee productivity is influenced by social factors and workplace environment. Key takeaway: psychological and social aspects of work are as important as technical skills. 3. Human relations movement. Elton Mayo, 1930s to 50s. Stressed the importance of employee satisfaction and motivation. Pioneered concepts such as leadership styles and group dynamics. Section 4. Theory X and Y. Douglas McGregor. Douglas McGregor introduced two contrasting views of workforce motivation in the 1960s. Theory X assumes employees as inherently lazy and require strict supervision. Theory Y views employees as self-motivated and capable of self-direction when given the opportunity. These theories are crucial in understanding management styles and their impact on organizational culture in healthcare settings. Section 5. Related disciplines. Organizational behavior draws knowledge from multiple disciplines such as psychology, understanding individual behavior, motivation, and cognitive processes. Sociology, examining group dynamics and organizational structures. Anthropology, analyzing cultural influences on behavior. Economics, studying incentive structures and decision-making processes. Healthcare professionals must integrate these perspectives to create effective workplace environments. To summarize today's lecture, organizational behavior is essential in healthcare to improve teamwork, leadership, and patient care. The field has evolved through contributions from scientific management, human relations, and behavioral theories. Understanding OB requires insights from psychology, sociology, and other related disciplines. In our next session, we will dive deeper into workforce diversity and its impact on healthcare organizations. Before we conclude, does anyone have any questions or thoughts about today's discussion? Feel free to put that in the comment sections. Thank you for your attention today. I encourage everyone to review reading materials for deeper insights and also prepare for our upcoming discussion on diversity, equity, and inclusion in healthcare. Have a great day. My name is Sir Eric. Thank you, and this is Sir Eric Podcast.